Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux casserole. Okay, now we have our fresh corn that we just shucked and taken all the silk off of. And what we're going to do now is get fresh corn right off the cob, and here's how you do it. So if you have sort of the end on it here, what we want to do is go ahead and cut this. We want a kind of a clean platform here. So just put that aside. And then there's a couple ways you can do this. If we want to capture the milk from the corn, I like to put it on a plate. If you're not that worried about it, if you just want to get the kernels off, then you go ahead and put it on a tea towel or something like that. It'll keep the kernels from dispersing all over the place. But for this, we really want to get the milk. So it's really easy. Just hold this up, and again, we've got the flat platform, and just go right on down the cob. See how easily that comes off, and just keep rotating it. It comes right off, and what we want to do is get as much of this corn milk and things as we can, because this is going to add tons of flavor, and it's also going to be a thickener for the Maque Choux.